How's it going, everyone? This is Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can split and unsplit walls in Planner 5D. So the first thing that you want to do is to actually head over to your 2D model. And from here, you can simply see the size and overall your room right here. So what you want to do is to simply click on a wall that you want to split or unsplit. And then right after, you can then click on this specific icon. Now this is going to be the add corner option, and then you could adjust it accordingly depending on your liking. And basically from there, as you could see, we can easily split or unsplit the room if we want to. So let's apply it to this specific wall right here. And that's basically how easy it is. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.